Bruce from You Buy a Drone. I'm going to show you an alternate way of building the Katana if you're trying to use one of the Red Rotor or the Quad Rio OSDs or something like that. I'm just going to jump into it. I'm not going to go through the full build like I did with the others. I'm just going to show you the basic stack. What you're going to want to do first off, obviously, is get your Velcro strap on there, and then you're going to use your longer screws, but you're going to want to use the inner holes. And now your inner holes are the same holes as your flight controller or the OSDs. And then you're going to use one of the nylon nuts to hold this on here. Alright, once you got all of your bolts on, held on by these nylon nuts, you can get your OSD. I'm just using one of our mini PDBs just as an example, so I don't have any of the OSDs handy right now. You'll slip that OSD on, and then by using those nylon nuts, it keeps it off of the surface of the carbon fiber, so it's pretty slick. Then you'll do all your wiring, do whatever you got to do. Then you'll use the same small standoffs, and you will use those in this manner here. Now, I took some measurements for the most common PDBs and OSDs. These standoffs should clear pretty much all of right angle pins and things like that that you might have on the Quad Revo or the RROSD. Now once you got that done, same thing, clock your flight controller with whichever is the best for you and get that bad boy on there. Again, it might be a little tight, just use some pressure and it'll go on there. Gives you enough for your standoff still. Screw your standoffs down, get those on there good. And then you'll just put your top plate on. Now, once this top plate's on, you lose the benefit of, or not once it's on, but just by doing this alternate build method, you do lose the benefit of having a pod style frame, but you can use your OSD and things like that and not have to really worry about that. So, I mean, that's just another way to build it, where you can use the smaller PDB or an OSD versus using our Katana PDB that's just a LC filtered and voltage regulated PDB. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Probably not, but oh well, you watched it anyways. See ya.